Hello students, how are you? I hope you are healthy and happy at your home. I'm your English teacher. Today I will teach you the poem Lesson 2, The Drowned Child. Students, it is a poem written by Erin Thompson. She was a famous English poetess. She describes here the feeling of a child who lives in town. We will also study another part of this poem, that is the country child. Okay, now we will start the poem. I live in the town. In a street, it is crowded with traffic and feet. There are buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lambs. The child says that he is unhappy about his life in the town. He does not like its crowded streets and traffic, because the town is always overcrowded with traffic and people. It is a busy area. There are buses and motor and trams. There is always a crowd of vehicles and there is noise everywhere. So he doesn't like to live in town. Okay, now he says what is his wish. I wish there were meadows and lambs. He wishes that there were some meadows and lambs, means कुछ पहाड़ियाँ, कुछ प्राकृतिक चीज़ें, कुछ नेचुरल सीनरीज, कुछ एनिमल्स वगैरह हों उसके पास. The houses all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. He says that there is no beautiful scenery. There is smoke and noise everywhere that he goes. So he doesn't like it. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. The child doesn't like the noises and overcrowded places of the town. Instead of it, he wishes that there should be some woods, meadows and lambs nearby him. So he doesn't like to live in town. Now he says, there is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. The child only loves the sky, but it is far above from him. He says that there is much space and lots of rooms in the sky, that is for clouds and for him. Means he like to see some natural sceneries, but it is not possible in the town, so he is not happy. He only like to see the sky in the night. So it is all about the poem. It is the poem that a child shares his feeling who lives in town. Okay, now in another lesson we will also come to know the feeling of a child who lives in country. So this is the poem, and you have to write in your notebook and learn its question answer, which are already sent by PDF. Okay, bye.